Page builders are a dime a dozen. I mean, if you've seen one, you've seen them all, right? Well, I had the chance to meet Justin Burns back in June at the Warrior event. Heard him speak and had a chance to get beta access to his latest product, Conversely, which is a landing page builder with a twist. Hi, my name is Steve Chase, and I'm with Smart Income Machines, and I'm here to tell you that if you're watching this video, chances are you are currently on the sales page for Conversely. I would suggest that you read everything here and see what it's all about, because from my time that I've spent using it, I can honestly tell you that it is probably one of the best page builders that I have used, because not only does it help you create landing pages, it will help you create landing pages that will convert and get you a sale. And really, isn't that what it's all about? So check it out. I give it a thumbs up. I'll even give it 2.